We ate mangoes. We're all done, but somebody got the bone and has darn near cleaned it off. Show Mommy and Daddy the mango bone. Show them. Show them. Let me see. Mango bone. Yeah, and she's just loving it. Remember, you're going, yeah. You love it? Yeah.
Hey, Granny, don't make a video of me. Don't make a video of me. No.
Can I have that mango bone now?
No.
Can I throw it away?
No.
It had lots of mango all over it. What happened to it?
No.
Now it's all white.
No. No.
Give me that mango bone.
No.
You're a monster.
Can I have it?